The sound for the letter C is K. The sound for the letter K is K. Let's learn some words for the sound K. K. Candle. K. Candle. K. Caterpillar. K. Caterpillar. K. Crayons. K. Crayons. K. Cow. K. Cow. K. Cake. K. Cake. K. Castle. K. Castle. K. Corn. K. Corn. K. Keyboard. K. Keyboard. K. Kingfisher. K. Kingfisher. K. Kangaroo. K. Kangaroo. K. Kiwi. K. Kiwi. K. Ketchup. K. Ketchup. K. Kite. K. Kite. It's story time. A family is visiting a castle in Spain. While they are sitting outside a cafe, some Spanish dancers appear in the courtyard. The ladies wear brightly colored dresses and click castanets going k, k, k. Like, share and subscribe.